Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And something happened, and I really want to share it quickly with you. So I'll be using this star principle: situation, task, action, and result. So what is the situation? I was trying to install a package which will give me a nice look and feel of my terminal. So when I open my terminal like this, I get to see the version of Node.js I'm using, the Git that I am on, and the version. And if I switch into any folder project, I get to also see the Node version installed in the terminal directly without going to check the package manager, and that blew up my system. The package is called Spaceship. I'm still gonna look for a way to get that fixed and install in my machine. So that was the issue. So when I installed it, it blew up my environment, and I was running brew. Brew was not showing me this command, which is like the default thing that I was expecting. What actually caused the problem, and what was the error I got? Right, I'm still explaining the situation. Now, what happened was that when I installed that package shade, it moved some of my environmental, it moved some of my some of the package, some of the software install out of the path. So if you run the command, it won't show. Okay, let me just go back. So what I will just do, let me do this and go to my SSA, and I think let me bring it here. So I'll comment this, right? So this was what was removed from my path. So let me save, close it, and just go and source this guy. Sourcing this guy is going to execute the shell command, right? So I've sourced it. So if I do brew now, it's still working. Let me close the terminal. Basically, that's what you need to do to close the terminal and reopen the terminal back. So now I've opened the terminal. I'll run brew now. You see, it's saying SSH command not found brew, meaning it's saying the brew command is not found, right? Now, when I saw this error message after installing the spaceship, and it blew up my settings, and I was seeing this message in my head, I didn't know that I'm actually running on SSH. Maybe the reason why I thought that way was because I tried uninstalling the SSH. The shell command, which is the ZSH, right? But it didn't work, right? I think I was doing something wrong. So I was getting this wrong. The thing I needed to look is for me to look closely and see that what he's saying here. Let me just bump up the size. What he's saying here is that saying that this SSH is a shell script that is currently here, right? This is the current shell script. We can actually change it. You can actually change this if you need to. I think the command to change it is this. I was recording and the recording stopped, and I didn't even know. So actually, to change it, the command to change it is this, right? And you just do this, and you say you are telling him to change to bash, and he's saying changing shell for Ibrahim this, and I should put my password and say bash non-standard shell, right? Because basically we have two type of shells, the non-standard and the standard. One kicks in immediately you start up your computer, meaning it is the initial shell, and it's called the logical shell, meaning it will execute every time you start up your machine. So let's go directly to the problem, right? Now for me, I think it probably will not still change me. It still put me on shell. I think it's not persisting. I can't remember the command to make it persist. Right, so what basically you need to do right now to get this problem fixed is just for you to go back to that file, which is your zshrc, right? Go back to that file and add this brew to the path, right? And save it and source it, and it's going to fix your problem. So I'm going to do this. So what sourcing means is executing the binary for you. So now when you run brew, you can have this command, and also when you close this terminal and open it again, you're still going to get the same thing. So you run brew, right? And it works. So that's basically what you needed to do.